It's laser welding time. We're going to use these settings on 2.5mm stainless. Wire feeder will push the wire at 90 centimeters a minute, but we're going to pulse it every 200 milliseconds. We're going to wear this incredible helmet to save our eyes. I'm going to do like a tap here. I'm just going to feed out a little bit of wire to get started. And let's go for it. There's that weld. So for scale, this is like a 4mm Allen wrench right here. And not quite perfect, but we get all the way through to the other side. The whole idea of welding metal together with 2,000 watts of laser power was just too much for me to pass up. I've been so curious about these Chinese-made laser welders that I finally bought one. And this one is made by BOGONG Machine, which is a company that I've worked with several times to build different laser systems, but never a welder. You see these things on Instagram doing all kinds of improbable welding tasks, but nobody ever shows like how they work, what they're made of. It's really interesting. So first of all, companies like BOGONG are laser integrators. They're not a welding company. What they'll do is Lego together a machine of different parts. So here's a 2,000 watt laser, a fiber laser, 1064 nanometer. The right side of the machine is a chiller. The top of the machine is a controller and a welding gun that work together. And then there's actually a whole separate wire feeder that can actually feed wire into the weld. You put all this together and you have a 2 kilowatt laser welder capable of welding steel, aluminum, whatever you want. One of the reasons I could try this at all is because the price for these machines has gotten surprisingly low. If you're interested in how low, reach out to Ava Wu at BOGONG. I'll put her contact info in the description.